Hi there, this is Fixed It. 10 months ago I did this temporary fix for my fence post, and as you can see it's absolutely still rock solid. If you want to know how to do it, just watch the video which is listed above. I can't believe it, I really did it for 4 weeks to get the fence repairman back to do a job, but then it was COVID, so 10 months on and it's still going strong. I put these extra bits in just because I was going backwards and forwards and I was a bit scared that I was going to knock the fence because we did some building work, but it's made a really good job, and now it's raining and going in. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.